Japan for 5 days. If you want to go there, you have to buy a plane ticket. When you arrive at Kansai Airport, you can buy a value-added card to take a train to Osaka. ICOCA and Haruka is a set containing an ICOCA IC card and a discounted ticket for Kansai Airport Station Express Haruka. The ICOCA can be used on JR, subway, private railway, bus transportation, and for shopping in the Kansai area and beyond. The Kansai Airport Express Haruka provides direct access from Kansai Airport Station to Osaka. We arrived in Japan on January 17th. On the first day, I went to Nara to see Nara Park and the Eastern Great Temple. The Eastern Great Temple is huge and has a giant wooden Buddha statue. Its height is 15 meters. Nara Park was really fun. There are a lot of deer and you can see them because in Japan the deer is sacred. On the second day, I went to Umeda to see a night market, which is very long. I went to the camera store called Big Camera, where they sell many electrical products. On the third day, I went to Universal Studios Japan, an entertainment amusement park. It is at Sakurashima Station. It has many things, and everyone is really fun. I went to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Minion Plaza, and Snoopy Studios. There is a Happy Kitchen selling minion popcorn. The box is in the shape of a minion, and the popcorn is banana flavored. It is very delicious. But if you want to go there, you have to buy a ticket. On the fourth day, I went to Namba and Kuruma Market. It is a famous market because it is clean and has a lot of seafood and cheesecakes, so everyone likes to go there. In my opinion, Japan is similar to Taiwan, and Japanese people are extremely kind. If the conductor comes to your cabin to check your ticket, he will bow to you. When people take a train, they talk quietly. Japan also has many inventions. For example, on the JR lines, sometimes your chair will turn because the worker has to clean the chair. This is why I like Japan.